In this tutorial, I will be talking about this question: how do I start freelance digital marketing? This beginner's guide includes some of the essential skills, strategies and steps that are needed to start freelance digital marketing. So if you want to learn some key skill sets and best practices that are required to be a freelance digital marketer, keep watching. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button so you get alerted about new videos. Please make sure you like the video because that tells me you like the content and I'll then create more content for you. Thank you, let's go. So to begin with, I will tell you what freelance digital marketing is. Freelance digital marketing is the name given to marketing professionals offering clients freelancing services. Digital marketing freelancers usually work from home and help companies with various digital marketing related tasks. The demand for digital marketing jobs is on the rise, making freelance digital marketing a great career option. As a marketing freelancer, you can be your own boss, set your own hours and rules, and at the same time do something productive and valuable. If you ever decide to stop freelancing, you can utilize your experience and skills to start your own online business. It can be a digital marketing agency or any online business, or even secure a high-paying job and work as a digital marketing manager. I will now tell you what a freelance marketing professional will do. Unlike other freelancing jobs, a freelance marketing professional has to wear many hats. Digital marketing has several channels and processes, and you need to have the required skill set to offer a range of services to clients. In addition to the technical tasks, as a freelancer you must know how to prepare work proposals for clients, manage invoices and accounting, project management and reports. To give you an idea of what the actual job looks like, these are the most common tasks executed by marketing freelancers: monitoring job posting websites for new project opportunities, submitting job proposals to secure new clients, meeting and communicating with new and existing clients. They also include responding to emails, connecting with other freelancers, working on your own website or blog, building your personal brand, optimizing client websites for search engines, SEO, running PPC campaigns on platforms like Google Ads and Bing Ads, executing campaigns on Facebook, both free and paid, designing email marketing campaigns, creating content to satisfy the needs of the various online marketing campaigns, creating a digital marketing strategy and action plan for clients, preparing monthly project reports, and issuing invoices to clients. I will now give you some steps to follow which can help you be a freelance digital marketer. Here we go. Step number 1. Build the necessary skills. One of the prerequisites for working as a freelancer is to have the skills needed for the job. In a regular job environment, you have other team members that can help you with a task, or in many cases the company will offer you training and development options, but that's not the case when running a freelancing business. As a freelancer, you'll have to take care of your training and build the necessary skills using online digital marketing courses and other resources you can find on the web, and with a lot of practice. Solo entrepreneurs don't have the luxury of escalating issues to management or outsourcing work to other companies, but they have to be able to provide solutions and solve problems without external help. There are a couple of ways to build skills fast. The first and most efficient way is to work as the assistant of an experienced marketer. There are many entry-level digital marketing jobs you can apply to, provided that you know the basics. Spend some time going through a course and getting a certification. This will help you secure a job as a junior digital marketing professional. Use your time working as part of the team to learn how a digital marketing agency works. Ask questions and try to replicate the steps and practices of other professionals. Don't forget that your goal at this step is not to make a career in a particular company, but to learn as many things as possible about how digital marketing works. When you've had the chance to work on a number of projects and you feel confident that you can do the job on your own, you can quit and start a freelance digital marketing career. Practice on your own properties. If you don't want to take this path, another way to equip yourself with the necessary skills is to practice digital marketing on your own websites. This differs from building your business website to advertise your freelance services. This part is about creating websites to test and experiment with the different digital marketing processes. For example, to learn how to use Google Ads to drive targeted traffic to a website, you need to have a website that sells products or services. To learn how to use email marketing to make sales, you need to have a big list of email subscribers. This process will take time, especially if you're a beginner to digital marketing, but it's the only way to build the necessary experience and confidence so that you can later offer this as a service to your clients. If at any point you're looking for support and training in digital marketing, then I recommend you check out the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. Just click the link in the description box below this video. Step number 2, build your business website. While working on building your digital marketing skills, you should also start a website for your freelance business. This is an important step and something that many freelancers either skip or do not give the necessary attention to. Your website is the focal point of your business. It's the place to showcase your achievements, describe your services, and the medium for clients to contact you. It should be easy to use, optimized for SEO and professional. The next question is business or personal website. A decision you need to make at this point is whether to make your website personal, i.e. alexchris.com, or business oriented. If you make it personal, it will be easier to promote it in the beginning since your name will be your brand, but it will not be a good fit if you decide at a later stage to turn your freelance business into a digital marketing agency. So before making a final decision, spend a few minutes thinking about the future. What do you want to achieve 5 years from now? In your thinking, take into account that as your freelance business grows, you'll reach a point where you won't be able to handle all the work yourself and you'll need to hire employees. Also, in the future, you might consider making a business partnership or selling your business, and this would be easier with a business-oriented website and not a personal brand. Create a professional image. By having a professional website, you're in complete control over how you present yourself as a freelancer. When a potential client learns about you and goes looking for more information, they'll find a high-quality website that presents all your best skills and qualities. That makes you look like the legit professional you are, which means they'll take you seriously and be more convinced you're worth the rates you charge. If all they find when they go looking is your social media profiles, especially if you regularly post about topics that don't relate to your profession, it won't inspire as much confidence in your abilities and professionalism. A website that looks good and communicates who you are and what you do will make the case that you're a solid bet for them to choose. Build your personal brand. Every freelancer has something unique to offer. What makes you special and worth hiring? That's the unique value proposition you want to build your brand around, and your website is the best tool you have for doing so. It gives you space to provide proof of what you can accomplish by picking the best examples of your past work. You can spotlight past clients you've worked for as a form of social proof, and you can even highlight your personality. Maybe you include a photo of your dog or mention your love of Star Wars. For some clients, seeing your personality shine through will make them feel more connected. Show off your freelance portfolio. Without a solid portfolio, potential clients only have your word to rely on. Even though you may be great at what you do, there's no way to prove it. But when you collect samples of your work onto your website, they can see for themselves your portfolio can speak for you. And your portfolio helps ensure that the people who hire you already like your style. You face less risk of ending up with clients that are hard to please because they've already had the chance to confirm they like the kind of work you do. Generate leads. One of the hardest parts of starting a freelance business is finding your first clients. Many new freelancers turn to bidding sites to get started, but they tend to attract low-paying and difficult clients. Building a website is a first step toward creating the kind of business where clients come to you. Once you have a website up, you can start marketing your business with tactics like search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, and social media marketing. Over time, these efforts will drive more relevant traffic to your site that can then translate into new clients. But trying to build your business reputation online without a website is a much bigger battle. You don't have any central place to direct all that traffic to. And when promising leads do hear about you, they'll have a harder time finding more information and learning how to get in touch. Step number 3. Start a digital marketing blog. Regardless of what you will choose, one thing that you definitely need to do from day one before even start taking clients is blogging. Start a digital marketing blog and publish content to help your potential clients understand how you can help them with digital marketing. Content is a very powerful way to close new clients without having to sell yourself or your services. With blogging, you can eliminate the need to advertise your services using paid ads and save a lot of time trying to find clients in job portals. When writing content for your blog, try to cover topics closely related to your freelance services. The secret of using your blogs for lead generation is to show your potential clients that you understand the problems and issues they face when running digital marketing campaigns. When you explain this in detail, it's easier for them to trust you as a possible solution provider. A blog should never be used to aggressively sell or market a product. Instead, its main purpose is to provide value to the reader. You should aim to produce useful, high-quality content that people look forward to reading and want to share. A blog can also help marketers to establish authority in the marketplace, build a trusting relationship with customers, build awareness of their brand, product or service, drive traffic to their main website, and attract potential customers. Before you get started, it's important to recognize that blogging takes effort. To blog successfully, you need to devote time to a number of ongoing tasks, including researching, writing, and editing your blog, sourcing images and videos, posting on a regular basis, replying to reader comments or questions about your posts. They also include promoting your blog on social platforms, connecting and interacting with other bloggers and joining blogging communities, offering other bloggers guest posts on your blog, and sharing other bloggers' content on your own social networks. So before you start a blog, make sure you're up for the challenge of maintaining one and that you have the time, commitment and energy needed to devote to the task. Step number 4, build your personal brand. Besides publishing content on your blog, you should also promote your personal brand on other websites and social networks. You need to do this regardless of your choice of freelance format, business or personal. Even if you decide to operate under a business name, it's your personal brand as a freelancer that will drive traffic and clients to your door. There are 2 main ways to build your brand as a freelancer. The first way is to publish your content on high traffic websites related to your freelance services. This is known in the digital marketing world as guest posting. By publishing your articles on well-known websites, you gain many benefits. Links to your website, this is good for your off-page SEO efforts and rankings. Traffic to your website, big websites get thousands of visitors per day, and if they like your content, some will eventually visit your website. The next is reputation. When potential clients search for your personal name on Google, they will see your guest posts, and this is good for your reputation. You can also establish yourself as an expert. Reputable industry websites have strict rules on who they accept as a guest poster, and those that finally make it are perceived as the experts for a given topic. The tricky part is that it's not easy to get published on the big websites, especially if you're a beginner. You first need to prove your digital marketing expertise, and one way to do this is by maintaining an active digital marketing blog. The second way to build your personal brand is to utilize the power of social networks. Create personal pages on business-oriented networks like LinkedIn and Twitter, and start connecting with other marketing professionals. To increase your chances of being followed by others, make sure that your profile describes who you are and what you do, and publish relevant digital marketing content on your pages. Step number 5, make connections with other freelancers. When referring to connections, I don't mean becoming friends on a social media network, but starting a real conversation by email or even Skype. Here are some reasons why you need to do this consistently. First, you can exchange ideas and experience with like-minded professionals. Second, you can use your connections to promote your personal brand and content. Third, you can get and send referrals. Fourth, you can work with them for services you cannot provide but still keep your relationship with the client. Fifth, being a digital marketing freelancer is a lonely job, so it's good to have someone to talk to who understands the business's difficulties and provides advice. The best way is to start by following and interacting with other freelancers on social media and then approaching them with a personalized email. Remember, this is not something you'll do in bulk, so you can spend more time learning more about a person before making contact. Try to explain from the beginning why you're making contact and how both parties can benefit from possible cooperation. This can be anything from exchanging ideas, promoting each other's content, or working on a joint project. There are no guidelines to follow as to who you will contact. This is up to you, but take my advice and don't omit this step. Having real connections in the industry can help you a lot as you grow your business. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to tell me in the comments section below the video which strategy or method from this video you are going to use first. I'd be interested to hear from you. So the next thing to do if you want more help with internet marketing is make sure you go and click the link in the description box under the video now and go visit the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. They will give you all the training, skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. If you are interested in that, which I hope you are, just click the link in the description box under the video and take a look at it. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and please give the video a like. Just click the subscribe button below this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.